Well, I think this is number 3 of the Does It Work or Doesn't It Work videos. The first video was, does an R6 throttle work like a quick action throttle? And you can have a look at one of the videos to see if you can find out if that's the case or not. The second one was electrolysis, does that work? And if you look at BSA build day 2 video, you can see if that works. And the third one is today's video, which is an old Henry Cole favourite. Does rubbing kitchen foil onto chrome restore the chrome? I'm going to use a BSA C15 tank, which is in rather rusty state, as the test. I don't see how this can work, but I've seen it on Henry's videos and it seems to work for him. So, scrunch up some tin foil, dip it into a bucket of water and start rubbing. Now, first of all, it's actually started to get rid of quite a lot of the brown spots already, interestingly. So I'll keep going with it. I don't believe it. It seems to be working. I'm amazed. Now remember how it looked before? I only spent literally 2 minutes, 3 minutes? Oh, 3 minutes according to the little clock on the camera. And look at that now. Seems to actually work. So I'm going to crack on, finish this tank off, and I'll post a little video once I've finished. I don't know how long it would last, but yeah, seems to do the job. Right, I'll crack on, show you when I've finished. So after a lot of rubbing, probably about half an hour, all the rust has gone. Obviously it's still got a fair bit of pitting on there, but the rust itself is no more. Well, I don't know how it works, Henry, but it works. I don't know how long it'll last either, but, and also it could do with a polish on the mop, but still a lot better than it was before. So yes, rubbing it with tinfoil works, but how long does it last? Who knows.